Magandang gabi mga kapamilya! Kumusta na po? Linggo na naman at magkakakwentuhan na naman tayo tungkol sa mga bagay at buhay na nariyan lang ngunit madalas ay hindi natin pansin o hindi natin nalalaman. Handa na ba kayo?
Welcome everyone. So, one world, many issues. A forum exploring the complexities of globalization. Today, we heard first-hand accounts from individuals whose lives are directly impacted by this global phenomenon. Here's from Gian Giangan.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gian Troyangan, and I am also a teacher. Globalization promises interconnectedness and economic growth, but is this promise equally shared, or let's hear from those people who's experienced challenge in this situation.
I am Gisela Padra and also a factory worker.
I work long hours in a clothing factory, sewing clothes for brands you see everywhere. To pay is barely enough to survive, while corporations rake in billions. We struggle to meet ends meet. Is this fair? Is this the promise? Is this the progress we are promised?
Okay, Giselle, thank you for your information. Anybody else who have any concerns about the globalization? Yes. What's your name?
I am Magaling. I am a corporate executive. We make jobs. We make consumers demand. Profit is essential for growth and investment. We operate within global market. Where's the problem?
The problem, ma'am, is the exploitation of the workers like Giselle. Fair wages, safe working conditions, this isn't luxurious but their fundamental rights. Profit should not come on the cost of human dignity.
In my country, we work in unsafe conditions for pennies a day. We fear speaking out. We have no healthcare, no future. Globalization for us means exploitation and despair.
Global imports have destroyed our local markets. Where's the fairness in the system?
I promote global brands online. I never really considered the human cost behind the products I advertised. This forum is making me rethink my role and responsibility.
In my case, I do the same work as my colleagues in developed countries, but only for a fraction of the pay. Many call it global opportunity, but for me, no. I call it exploitation.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Robilin. As we all hear, these are the hidden stories of globalization. We must acknowledge the inequalities and exploitation and the human cost of unchecked economic growth. progress cannot come at the expenses of human dignity. Okay, that's all. I think let's us hear from Miss Angel if we have any add-ons in our topic.
Globalization connects us, but it also divides. The question is, can we create a system that truly benefits all, not just a select few? Can we build a more just and equitable global community?
So let's strive for a just and global ethical society.
Every voice, every job, every life matters.
Go.
How can we solve this issue?
So for fair wages and labor rights, enforce international labor standards to ensure safe working conditions and fair wages.
Corporate accountability. Encourage businesses to adopt corporate social responsibilities or CSR policies.
For youth, engagement and activism. Empower youth through education and platforms to voice concerns about inequality.
For influencer responsibility, encourage influencers to research and promote ethical brands.
For equal pay and opportunities. Create global frameworks to ensure fair compensation regardless of region.
For education awareness, education citizens about the effects of globalization, both positive and negative.
For consumer responsibility, make informed buying choices by choosing ethical and sustainable products.
What moral principles, framework, and supports your solution?
Human rights ethics. Everyone deserves for fair treatment, safe work, and equal chances. Globalization must respect human dignity.
For social justice and fairness, globalization should promote equity and support the advantage and following rules and justice theory.
Utilitarianism. Ethical globalization benefits all. Workers, businesses, and consumers, not just the wealthy few.
Environmental ethics. Globalization must be sustainable and fair, protecting both people and the planet Earth.
Environmental ethics. Globalization must be sustainable and fair, protecting both people and the planet. Kantian ethics. People deserve respect and autonomy. They must not be used as tools for profit.